Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's that time of year again, and Dollar Tree has a really well-stocked supply of Halloween decorations. And of course, you know, the pumpkins fall into Halloween and Thanksgiving. They actually do have Thanksgiving items available as well. And I found this one in the Halloween section. Now last year I decorated some pumpkins, but I didn't have this particular shape. It's the faux mercury design, and it actually lights up. Now you have to put batteries in it. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and I've already put the batteries in, and as you can see it's $5, so it's in the $3 or $5 section. But I saw it and immediately knew I wanted to DIY another one. So the first thing I want to do is remove the tag. Now I'm going to use some of these acrylic diamond shaped gems from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to use the Dollar Tree heating tool. This is $5, and I did a review on this on my channel as well, and so we're going to use it. Now because it does smoke, I'm going to use my little Timu bear to help blow the fumes away. So what I want to do is put some holes in my pumpkin, and then I'll hot glue my stones into the holes, and I'm just doing it randomly. Now let's see if that's big enough. That's how big the hole is, but I want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm just going to continue to make holes randomly. Okay, because of how it melts, you have like little pieces of plastic. So you can come in with some scissors and cut away the excess, or you can use like a sanding paper, but small scissors seem to work fine. Just go in and just clean it up. Just clean up every hole that you made. You want it to be flat and flush. Just like that. So I'll go ahead and finish cleaning the other ones up off camera and then come back. I'm done cleaning up all the holes. So now I'm going to take my diamonds and start gluing them on. I have my hot glue gun. Let's just start here. So I'm going to take the glue and put it right around the hole, just like that. Kind of on the outside and the inside. And take your diamond and press it on just like that. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm done adding all of my diamonds. I have this bag of diamond bling. So I'm going to take 2 rows of it and put it in my creases just like that. Okay, so we are halfway done. Just want to give you an idea what it looks like. I want to add a leaf to this, and I always do this with most of my pumpkins. I like to use crystal chandelier pendants to create leaves for my pumpkin. And I think I kind of like it here. Do I want it here? Maybe I want it there. So I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue that on. So this is what we have so far. Again, I'll put some more bling all the way around Once I'm done, I'll come back, turn the light on, and let you guys see what it looks like. For a DIY pumpkin number 2, here's another one that I found in the $3 and $5 section. And as you can see, it says that it lights up. And this is the battery compartment, but you load the batteries in the bottom. And this is what it looks like. Again, it's $5. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the tag and the sticker. And now I'm going to take this outside and spray paint the entire thing silver. But before I do that, I'm going to put some tape across the battery pack to make sure that it's safe. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, just by spray painting it silver, there's a drastic improvement. I really like the way it looks. I made sure that the light bulb was completely covered because you don't want to spray paint it, okay? So I'm going to use my rhinestones to decorate my pumpkin. Now there's other things that you can use. You can use some bling if you want to. I'm just going to spread them out, and I'll use different sizes, okay? Now I'll be using hot glue to glue the rhinestones onto my pumpkin, because if you use any other type of glue, it eats away the backing, and the backing actually gives it the coloring, makes it blingy, and you don't want that gone. So let's just get started. Start in the center here. Now this is going to take some time. Now I'll go off camera, finish this, and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I'm done adding my rhinestones. Look at how pretty this is. It's gorgeous. Now it did take me about an hour and a half, and that's because I was moving around and doing some things. And I'm very patient with crafting, so it's not a problem for me. Now you can do this too. If you think you're impatient, just do whatever you can. Listen to some music, have a phone call with your girlfriend. I was talking to Minda for a good little time when I was creating this piece. So just do some other things, you know, sit, watch TV or whatever. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that looks. Actually, I had to turn this leaf around because I didn't realize I was putting this on the back. So meanwhile, I want to go ahead and move these to the side. And I'm going to add some of my diamond bling. Again, I have some strips of this stuff left over. So I'm going to just take some and put it right on the lines. Let me lay this down so you can see. Just like that, just follow the curve of the piece. And cut off the excess, like so. Alright, so I'll do this one and then come back. Okay guys, so to finish it off, I went ahead and trimmed on the bottom as well with the diamond bling. Now I want to add some crushed glass to the stem. So I have my Mod Podge. That was hard to open. So now I'm just going to take some of my Mod Podge and put it right in the stem, right inside the bling. And you want to pile it on thick. And now I'm just going to take my crushed glass and put it right on top of the Mod Podge. Shake off the excess. I'll let that dry, and then I'll come back in with a smaller paintbrush and fill in those open spaces. But meanwhile, let me go ahead and remove this off of my diamond bling. And then once that's done, I'll come in and put some silver leaf on the leaf. Okay guys, I'm back. And my first layer of glue has dried. So now I'm going to take a little bit more of the Mod Podge glue and put it right inside those open spaces. And if you frequent my channel, you've seen me do this several times, many times before. And now put some more crushed glass on top. And I'm going to let that sit there for a while, and then I'll come back and shake it off, and then we'll go ahead and put silver leaf on our leaf. Okay, so let's shake this off. But now I'm going to take some Wicked Stick It, put it on the leaf and the stem. I have my paintbrush, and I'm just going to brush it onto my leaf. Now the stems. Now I could just go ahead and put some silver leaf on the back, but I'm gonna wait and see what you guys say in the comments. And the question is, would you guys like for me to put crushed glass on the pumpkin as well? Or decorate it any other type of way? So leave that in the comments below. So now I'm going to allow the Wicked Stick It to get tacky, and then I'll come back in with some silver leaf. And here's the silver leaf that I'll be using, and I'll be sure to link it below. It came from Amazon.com. Okay, so my battery is about to die, so I need to hurry this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab some of this silver leaf. Put it right on top of the leaf. Then just brush it on. And then do the same thing with the stem. Go around back and just clean it up. Just brush that off. Okay, just like that. My battery is about to die, so I'll go ahead and add some silver leaf to the stems. Then I'll come back and seal the crushed glass, and we'll be done. Okay guys, so this is what we have. So what I want to do now is go ahead and seal my crushed glass. Have a small cup here. And I'm going to take a tiny amount of the Mod Podge. Just a little. And now I add a little bit of water to make it thin. And I'm just going to mix it with the paintbrush. This is way more than what I need. So all you need to do now is just take your mixture. It's more like 2/3 water, 1/3 Mod Podge, and just lay it right there on top. Just let it sink in. So once the Mod Podge dries, it'll dry completely clear. Now I'll put it on display, light it up, and let you see what it looks like. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.